My day as a marketer used to be all about chaos. Now, it's all about control. Thanks to a seamless Zoho implementation by Abhyaz, my workflow has never been smoother. Let me show you what I mean. Morning starts with a plan. I open Zoho Social, schedule posts across LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. Every caption, every hashtag, perfectly aligned with our brand. Before I hit publish, I can send the post directly to my team for a quick review. This ensures our message is always on point and our branding is consistent. Next, I switch to Zoho Campaigns, our all-in-one tool for email, social, and SMS marketing. I segment my audience, pick a ready-made template, add content, link our social channels, and hit A/B testing to find the best version. As soon as the campaign goes live, leads automatically flow into Zoho CRM. No spreadsheets, no manual entry, just smooth, real-time updates. The best part? When a lead shows high interest, I get an instant notification. I can see their entire journey, the social post they saw, the email they opened, and with a single click, I can assign the lead to our sales team. Finally, I review the analytics and social media marketing automation, open rates, click-throughs, conversions. Real data, real results, all in one place. With Zoho Campaigns, Social, CRM, and marketing automation, my day flows from planning to results, seamlessly. That's how Abhyaz helps businesses work smarter. Ready to transform your workflow? Contact Abhyaz for your custom Zoho solution.